Sinzang tay tay liho. My name is Leonora Arribas. I'm 38 years old. I'm from Davao, Philippines. I'm single parent. I have one son, 16 years old, one daughter, 12 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school level. My hobbies is cooking, cleaning, washing, and farming. And I'm a fit lover. I have two dogs. My expertise is taking care of children and elderly. I'm a domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months, from August 11, 2019 to December 10, 2021. I served one couple and 4 children, age 12 years old, 9 years old, 7 years old, and newborn baby. My duties is taking care of elderly and children, cooking, cleaning, washing dishes, doing laundry, and car washing. I want to work Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family, for the future of my children. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and children, and I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid worker because I'm honest, I'm obedient, trustworthy, and of course, I'm a hard working. Mom and sir, I promise to be a good housemaid worker, and I promise to prioritize my job. I promise to finish my 2 years contract or more. Mom and sir, I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.